Today I'm going to show you how to change or add a strip to your Wix website. Strips are horizontal sections that help you organize content and create visual structure on your site, making it easier for visitors to navigate and digest information. If you're looking to get started with Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by opening your browser and heading over to the Wix website. Once you're there, log into your Wix account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. From here, look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Website to proceed to your website management area. Now you'll be able to preview the website settings you currently have. This is an important step because you want to make sure that you're working on the correct website, especially if you manage multiple sites under your account. Take a moment to confirm that this is indeed the website where you wish to add or change a strip. Once you've confirmed you're on the right site, locate the Design Site button. You'll typically find this button on the top part of your screen, usually beside a pen icon. Click on it to open the editor where you'll be making your changes. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens and where you can customize your site's appearance. Start by locating the Add Element button and click on it. The element menu will expand and you'll see a comprehensive list of all the elements you can use for your Wix website. This menu contains everything from text boxes to images and interactive features. From this list of elements, look for Strip and click on it. After clicking on Strip, you'll be presented with a variety of sample strips organized into categories like Classic, Features, About, Services, and Contact. These pre-designed strips are great starting points and can save you a lot of time. Browse through the options and look for a strip that would fit your design aesthetic and the purpose of that particular section. Once you've found one you like, simply click and drag it onto your website canvas. Position it exactly where you want it to appear on your page. Now, if you're only looking to change an existing strip rather than add a new one, the process is even simpler. Simply locate the strip you want to modify on your website and click on it. You'll immediately see options appear, including a Change Background button and layout settings. These tools allow you to customize the strip's appearance to better match your vision or update it to fit new content. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to both add new strips and modify existing ones on your Wix website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.